What's up, guys? So today, y'all are probably gonna be thinking, what am I doing today? Read that. But not that bad.
I'll tell you one thing, it's gonna be this
Crickets.
nice transition, this smooth segue to the middle. Take it away, Molly.
I have a bag of crickets.
Bacon
And cheese flavor.
I'm not going to die first. I'm not going first this time.
I never knew I was gonna
Watch
do
the screen
this.
tag, 'cause I've been-
This is disgusting.
Molly,
My
what are you
dad,
doing, bro?
No, I
he's
pressed
here
the
like
comment.
really
It was
low.
quiet, dude.
When that like the bag it's
Oh god, there's so many Mollys, I hate it.
We literally
the company's like really
You can't
old.
just phone someone out here.
Yeah,
You was funny.
Alright, Molly, where were you going?
Yeah, you was funny, dude.
Yeah.
What? No, you could have notified me to send Narrator.
I skipped over, don't worry.
Okay,
Yeah,
skip
you-
phone,
you
boys.
kinda-
Alright, I'm killing Josh first. He always tries to get me. Oh, I was about to kill him, but Eddie's there. There's Juicy. Narrator's up here. Where did he go? You know what? I'm calling this. Yeah,
What?
Focus
I saw
camera.
his event, dude.
What?
Well, he's just going through a hard
And
time.
look
Sometimes he needs to get the issues out.
Hold
He
on.
needs to talk about
I have
it.
a better way to settle
You
this.
said you saw an event where...
Quasita!
He next to his vent, he was just crying in the corner
Okay.
like he usually does.
I told you not to
Let's
tell me
start.
venting.
I
Yeah.
trusted
Okay, my
you.
bad.
Where's
I
this
thought you
thing
meant
from?
he was- I thought you meant he was climbing into a van. You gotta be more
Dude,
specific.
I've never
dude.
trusted you with my problems if
Let's just eat it in one bite.
Apologies.
This is gonna be the death of me, and I have other weird
You're done.
foods, but they're gonna be in other videos. Like one, there's like this Ghostbuster shrink. I'm not gonna tell you the other one because it's gonna be insane.
Last
So,
time I saw you,
Quasita!
you've been following me around,
3,
trying
2,
to mess with
1.
me, Molly.
Just to clarify, I was with Juicy. We were having a stroke together, just like seriously.
Okay,
turning
okay,
left
boys.
and right next
Keep
to
it
each other
family
for the
friendly.
past minute.
Okay, listen.
Let's keep it family
Can I
friendly,
please?
okay?
Can
Okay.
We don't want to hear about what
This
you're doing
actually
together,
is
okay?
good.
defend myself for
Jesus
once?
Christ.
I was in reactors doing tasks, and I ran, and then
Guts in the
communications were
Lord.
spiked, so I ran to cafeteria and ran down, and that's where I found Narrator. So if Eddie and Juicy were together, where was Josh?
Molly, what task were you doing?
Let's do reactors.
Got him! Got him!
Every time! I'm not good at this game!
Every time we ask you anything, dude, as soon as you laugh for a
So,
while, it's like
I'm gonna eat another one. Those are actually good.
I forget you can see me!
send them out.
You can find these at the Edison Mall.
Okay, Juicy and Josh, who's
Me.
I need to find something to learn. Come on.
Now this is some channel content. Wait. This is me when I'm 50
Juicy, did
years
you see
old.
that? Did you see
This is
the
me when
report
I
Molly?
die.
Molly got in the vent.
Every
Yeah.
round, Josh, you come for me. Dude, can I
I'm
just
dead.
play Among Us?
Molly, here's the test. You know it's coming. What were you doing?
I went and did communications when they went
Yes,
down, and I was going around to wires, dude.
for at least 2 hours. And I guess that's the wrap of the video. So bye guys.